Hey guys, Mark here. Man, it's been a while since my last update, so I wanted to. Several of you guys have sent some posts and some comments, so I wanted to send a quick update. Everybody's kind of asking where I'm at about 6 months post-op. So, anyways, to be honest, I've been hesitant on posting a video because I've been slightly frustrated with the amount of pain that's kind of come back, and maybe it came back as I've kind of weaned myself off of the pain meds. But up until really just this week, I've actually been in a lot of pain, and I went back to the doctor, and they advised me to go ahead and do an MRI just to make sure nothing was going on. But as far as my last X-ray, all the rods and screws and everything are in place, and I think if I was going to have a reaction or infection of something like that, that probably would have happened within the first 30 days of the rods being placed. So I really, obviously with the cost an MRI is, and I've just kind of been putting it off. So the doctor also advised to try mixing in some ibuprofen with my pain meds. So I did that, and I was able to get by, but honestly the pain's just, it's actually been pretty intense, and I even upped the pain meds back again. I was really just on Percocet. I had stopped the Oxycontin, I think, over the last 4 to 6 weeks ago. So I was trying to just come off of that stuff, and so I finally decided to make a change. Actually, just last week, I decided to go to a pain management doctor and talk to them about possibly doing another round of injections. Maybe there's just a bunch of inflation inflammation, sorry, inflammation still around the site that's never really healed. So I went in to talk about that, and they were asking me, what medicine I was currently on, and I told them the Percocet. And honestly, I've been on Percocet for so long, even before the surgery. I've probably been on Percocet for 2.5 years, so obviously there's a little bit of an addiction there. So the pain management doctor actually wanted me to take care of that first. So I actually have now been off of Percocet for almost 4 days now, and have gone the route of using the Suboxone to come off of it. So that was another ordeal in itself, trying to come off of the Percocet or Oxycontin. It's for any of you that are taking it early on, just be prepared. It sneaks up on you, and all of a sudden you can't live without it. So you need it just to function, just to be normal, not even necessarily taking it for the pain, but you want to take it just to feel normal. So I went through it. I had to go into bad withdrawal state, and made it, almost 24 hours before you're able to take the Suboxone. So once I did that, I made the transition. I don't know if it's mental or not, but my pain level has actually gone down significantly, and I don't know what it's from, but ever since I stopped taking the Percocet, I've felt much better, and I've gotten down to the Suboxone, where I'm only taking, actually today I'm only taking I guess half of a milligram twice a day, which is hardly nothing. So I'm trying to come off of it as quick as I can, because I'm tired of living on pain pills. So honestly, that's why I was delaying the post, because I didn't feel like I could give an accurate update, because I was kind of all over the place. So still no regrets on the surgery. I know it fixed the problem that I had. I just think that I still have a lot of soft tissue, muscular pain that's just going to take a longer time to recover from. As soon as I get cleaned up as far as the pain meds go, I'm going to go back to the pain management clinic and talk to them about an injection and see if that might help. Like sitting here at my desk, obviously after a while it does become a little bit painful, not unmanageable, but I've also been able to play golf, which I didn't think I'd ever be able to swing as good as I did the other day. I'm probably 90% of where I was at my peak, so that's a good sign. I was a little sore afterwards that night, but the next day I woke up and I was actually surprisingly not that sore. So I'm going to try to play again tomorrow and see how that goes, but I don't feel any reason not to. I think that the twisting motion of that sport, it kind of helps maybe loosen up some of those muscles, and you know, just kind of see how it goes. I mean, before I stopped taking the Percocet, I couldn't even do my physical therapy just because the pain was getting so intense to try to stretch and everything. And today I feel like going to the gym. I feel really good today. So I don't know why I feel better stopping the pain meds, but I do. But maybe it's just a mental thing, like I said. But I'm happy I did it, and like I mentioned, it kind of sneaks up on you, and all of a sudden you realize that you do have some sort of addiction on it. So, anyways, that's my update. I'll be happy to answer any questions you guys have. I haven't gone back to the doctor in a couple months now, and I've moved to a different city, so I'm not even reporting back to that same surgeon. They referred me to a pain clinic if I wanted to keep getting my refills on the pain meds. So that's when I decided to enough's enough, and I need to just get off of this stuff, and to determine really what my actual pain level is. I think I was just masking it with all the pain meds, and not focusing on what I should be doing for recovery. So now that I see where my pain level is, then I can address it. Again, it doesn't affect my day-to-day activity. It is uncomfortable leaning over or standing back up, but I can definitely function day-to-day, and I'll just keep with the physical therapy, and like I said, hopefully, or maybe another round of injections, maybe that'll help clear it up a little bit. So I'll definitely keep posting on this over the next couple months to see if we can just to let you guys know how I'm doing pain-wise as far as just the recovery. Because if you think about it, man, they had to rip through all those muscles on your back, since this was not a minimally invasive procedure. I mean, they went open back on it, so just recouping those muscles and rebuilding them, that's part of it that I really wasn't expecting. I didn't think it would be this difficult and painful. So a lot of the pain that I am experiencing is just from that rebuilding and re-stretching of those muscles. I got desperate about a month ago, and I started going to acupuncture, which it seemed to help while I was there, but as soon as I got back home, it was the same situation again. Just take a pain pill and think that it's going to help, but it doesn't. I've got to over the last couple of days after stopping the pain meds is probably the best I've felt in 3 months. So I'm hoping that was the first step, and now I can start really doing the therapy that I need and get back to where I was. So anyways, I'll try to keep posting, and when I go through this kind of the next round here over the next month, and hopefully with injections or physical therapy or whatever I decide to do on a more regular basis, I'll let you guys know, and let you guys know what to expect if you guys are considering this procedure. But it's definitely been an ordeal. You look down, it's been 6 months. I don't even realize it. It goes by really quick, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated as best as I can. Thanks for watching.